Meanwhile, Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valta said the Philippine Embassy in Libya is ready to provide the necessary assistance to the Filipino nurses. She also said that the Philippine Ambassador to Libya has been coordinating with Libya's Ministry of Labor Affairs on how to tighten security or to assure the security of Filipinos there.
Sa kagandahang palad, na-rescue po na sila at ang impormasyon po ay babalik po sila pong tatlo sa Tripoli para makapagpahinga po ng kaunti. From there, handa naman po yung ating mga opisyal sa ating embahada para magbigay po ng kahit anong tulong na kakailanganin po ng tatlong nurse. At dahil din po dito, makikipag-usap po yung ating ambassador po doon sa Ministry of Labor Affairs on how to tighten security or to assure the security of our Filipinos there.